Girl, it's slow.
Nah, sis, you know it don't be snowing. It be hot. Stop playing. Hey everybody, today I will be making fresh whole sweet peppers and turn them into ground sweet peppers. Now we're gonna do this again for the third time. Now I can't say the third time is a charm because in his word God says that charm is deceitful and I've been fooled one too many times. Onion powder and garlic powder, that is. Now don't act like you don't remember I attempted to make them. But we gonna see if this third litter decide to act right. And we just gonna chop them up. It's giving burger establishment because you can choose to leave the seeds in or out. I kept the little end though.
Many unbearable hours later.
Oh my goodness. When I tell you it didn't make no sense, a sense it did not make. Let me take that out. You see it did its job. Yeah, I'm gonna grind it up. It's not supposed to be bendable or anything like that, flexible or anything. You can like break this to pieces, and it shows right here. But you're not gonna guess how long it took. When I was looking it up, I thought it was going to be like 350 like the other ones. I had to put it on between 140 and 150, but mine went up to 170 only, the lowest. So it worked out. But even at 170, then I seen the time frame like between 6 hours, 12 hours. I'm like, 6 hours already long enough. And I'm like, there's no way you can like speed this up and put it up higher. But they say if you put it up higher, it might. You just gotta look it up yourself. You feel me? So I did it for 6 hours, and it was still like some of it was a little hard, but not all. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to do this up until 12 hours. So here we are now. So I'm gonna take this. And you got little seeds in here too. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend it like this. Alright. This looking like red pepper flakes. As you see it, y'all? Yeah, this came out right. Now if you like I said, if you don't want the seeds, you didn't have to, make it with this. You could have just washed out all the seeds and then, did the other process after that. But I wanted some of the seeds in there. Now I'll put it inside my bottle. You see with the other one, I put it in a Ziploc bag. This time, no, I didn't buy it. One of my spices was already back empty. I went ahead and added that to something else and cleaned this side. So yeah, that's what you got right here. And I'm gonna use my funnel. Pour it in here. Top on it. Now it would have been good if I had a red top. You can't tell me. I ain't do this. But I ain't even do it no more. Waiting 12 hours for this. Yeah, me messed up. I'm gonna get a little bit first. Just taste a bit. Got a little. Oh, that's what I forgot. To add salt. Better at it again. Okay. I'm liking that. It's a bit of spice, a little bit salt. I like this though. Alright, so here you have it, y'all. Ran out of seasoning. Can't go to the stove or don't want to go to the stove. Ain't no excuse to make your own. As far as me, I don't know if I'll be doing this again. Too much time consuming. And my FPL bill, but I'll be higher this month. Next month either. And I'm going to try this in a recipe in the future. Lord's will. Have a blessed day.